This is Yogesh from Tirupati Software. In current video tutorial session, we are presenting you the laboratory management system software that is called with the Tirupati Laboratory Pro application. So not much taking time. Let's log in the system. Okay. This login credential will be assigned to the pathologist or the lab administrator while licensing generating, and that login credential can be later on updated by the user. It's a multi-user application and having scope of sharing information to the patient for laboratory reports received over WhatsApp, email and text message. So let's log in the software. So these are the modules we are offering in the laboratory software solution, where dashboard, patient, where we can identify the revenue collection for laboratory patients, quantity and like that. And similarly, if we go for main menu, we can can create a patient registration for laboratory. If we need to take the patient photograph, so you can have patient option to take the patient photograph, where you can capture via webcam if needed. Either you can skip it up, so we can take a photos along with we can select the patient categories like lab patients. There will be your master defined panels will be loaded here, and here we can make a patient information like Priyanka. Okay, like this way we can patient address, age, and if patient is referred by any respective doctor, we can select in a particular doctor. Otherwise we can jump it up like this way. And you can feed the respective doctor. Either you can select self or categories if no any pair referral doctor like that, so we can select that one. And we can mention patient mobile number to send the information over WhatsApp or email or text messages. Here the mobile number is system checked is already exist in the software or not. If exists, the patient data will be getting here automatically. And here we can mention patient address like Bivali Colony like that. Okay, patient and here we can have the billing services, like we want to capture CBC investigation, along with you want to capture blood group test. Okay, so multiple diagnosis we can add patient profile for electrolyte test and sugar profile. Whatever test you want to perform over this patient, you can have option to select the categories item like lipid profile as well as the LFT, RFT like that. So you can perform that billing. If we have radiology services, X-ray, CT scan, so you can select the categories here also and perform the respective billing like USG. Okay, and they either you can save the print or save and print. So I am currently saving the record here, and this record will be saved into the billing section. Whenever patient want to make the payment, he will go to the billing windows here, and we will capture the reaction. The patient go to the billing desk to pay the amount of certain services. Here the all list of patient will become here, which we have performed entries, and we can select the patient services of billing to whom, like the recently we created here patient Priyanka, we select. So these are the lab radiology service billing is there. Once the patient make payment or like that, and we take a printable patient's receipt of payment or services, which mention the payment detail and investigation and the billing token number like that, department wise extra radiology services, and the header footers will come like this way. And this is QR code or scannable option. When you scan this QR code, this record will be open in the system mobile application. Now the patient goes to the, after making payment in the laboratory department, where the lab technician will capable to perform patient's investigation via collecting sample. So if there is multiple patient or validation is we got, we can use the patient UHID also. If sometime patient's record need to be find out more than entity, so just go to laboratory, that are the pending patient prescription request. Either we can find out via UHID, mobile number, everything data. Once we find out the patient, we can get this 6 requests of the laboratory services are there. and we can select the test request we have received as a lab technician. So the lab technician will able to collect samples from respective certain test, which kind of the sample to be collected of the performed test. If they want to change like blood, EDT or any other type of the sample, they can change the volume, quantity, and just save and print. The barcode sticker will be generated that are refers to ELISA interface to automate the results and fetching the result from laboratory instrument to direct to the HIMS application or ELISA software. After having sample performed, the lab technician will able to perform report window. On this moment, if users wanted to fetch machine data, they just click to fetch ELISA data, so results will be auto transmitted to the software. If user have not integrated with laboratory instrument, then they can click on the lab results window, and here they can input the result value. Here have the system formula calculation facility also. Out of some report, the user can absolve to mention result. You can see when we are mentioning the result, the system making high indicator, low indicator, so you can identify the results in the system validation. Okay, so if we mention 35 like 20, so somewhere the system will go to calculate values and perform result in the system software. And like this way we can mention record here of all test results. If some high, some low, so the system will mention, and the record are mentioned in the system software. And 10.5, and we can like blood group AB positive, O positive, like that we can select here positive or negative. The results are mentioning in the system software 120 or so 140, like that way, and we can record in the report preparation. This task performed by lab technician in the respective test to test in results window. Okay, 0.25, and this way if somewhere abnormal results we can mention in the system software, that will become in the printing system, and we can record the particular value. Okay, so like this way we are mentioning record all the system 15 or 100 or 35 or 45, like that. You can see this some report is coming by system software. Don't note if we have defined a formula in master. Okay, so this way the record will capture by software, and if any instructions are given patient, that can be also added by the doctor or patient or lab technician, we can be seen this record, or and just to be saved and print. The report will be printed and simultaneously goes to the pathologist user. The pathology user will able to prepare a verify report after saving the lab technician. So all reports are there with the group wise CBC, blood group, RFT, and the report is printed on pagination wise with the letterpad, and the same report can be email or WhatsApp to the patient's account when they wanted to need it. So if they want to print a patient report, we can save in the document system services, and that can also be sent to the verification purpose. So these are color combination with making the barcode labeling. Like red means the request to receive from billing desk. Orange color bell icon reflect for the sample collection confirmation. Green means report prepared. So you can see the all test report marker background color is green, means the report has been prepared. Once we verify in this report, the status will be changed to verify like blue. So stage by stage lab technician can see the stage of particular patient test request information. The pathologist user have option to verification of report all report. If there is any abnormal condition or need to recheck, so he can send request to the technician again to verify or recheck the test. If we verify, the lab technician's report will be completed, and the pathologist signature will be added on the this report, and that simultaneously system send this report to patient's email account or WhatsApp or text message deliverable. You can see the report signature are added in the report system like this way. So this all facilities you can maintain by the lab application. Now also having the you can see the how many lab tokens are in pending in the system. So lab technician can see the lab token reports, sample access report, and that are the part of the system to help you like this way. So sample reports are able to see how many samples we have performed, and here you are having option to inventory management system, assets, equipment, housekeeping services. So where we can perform different kind of the services in the system software if we need it in the software to perform any particular action. And there is also having various option to control your system application like this way. You have the blue icon report are prepared. This was the part of the lab technician and laboratory module, and you can have the data wise, panel wise searching, patient doctor wise patient listing, OPIP like this wise way. And if you want to search any particular like hematology or group wide test record searching for any particular duration, how many CBC test or hematology test was performed, you can apply this particular test filter and you can get it done, and certain duration all the list of patient by filtering applying, and the system will give you the respective data input of the patient listing if they exist. So this is laboratory module window. If you go for request inventory, means the lab technician persons can be sent the request for indent request item of any particular item like blood container, urine container. Okay, so how much quantity are needed, that quantities request can be sent, uh, all the instrument requirement in the software laboratory department. After, if we are looking for the instrument of the uh, assets requirement, or we can see how much inventories are available. This is the inventory consumable information when we are collecting sample and performing tests. So various result and consumable items are consumed, that can be order, place, vendor management, and supply can be tracking via inventory system through the laboratory connected part. Now at the same time, if we have radiology test requests as also, so we can see the patient list and we can get the report information identify here also. And the radiologist user or sonology doctor can able to prepare his lab report, radiology report to this particular report. As we are seeing, this is the x-ray report to be attached x-ray film. So we can upload the x-ray film, and this is the auto loaded template which has been defined in master. And here they can doctor can write any comment, no bone injury found, like this way they can mention the report in text template. As well as the, if there are multiple template are required to use, like whole abdomen, upper abdomen in the sonography or x-ray report, multi template can be used if we define the master. And the certain template will be open here, along with the images can be also attached with the particular radiology report like USG report, and along with the patient. And this report can be printed along with the image and text report and sent to email or WhatsApp to the patient on his account base. So this is, we can have option to give the report to particular patient on email or WhatsApp if needed. So these are the radiology part we can maintain here the software. After the end of the day, if we want to see the revenue collection of the particular user, laboratory collection, radiology also, the, if we have selective modules, so we can get the report department wise collection and the user wise collection and patient wise collection in this report. So that help you to department based collection, user collection, head wise collection. So let's see today's collection in the department based. So in which department how much collection request, if you want to apply long duration, if you are authorized, you can get it done. All durations report and the department and quantity wise, like advanced laboratory, medical, x-ray, CT scan, other respective services in the module bay. Okay, similarly, if we go some report register wanted to go, we can also have option to get the certain kind of the report structure, where you can find out group report, daily report, doctor wise, edit logbook, any authorization, like this way we can get it done in recording. So like daily collection, and these are the multiple filter. If any user wanted to know more detail about the software, they can call us or visit our website of tirupatisoftware.com and get in touch to know more detail and we will help you to accelerate your laboratory diagnostic center or radiology center with the certain product of our application system. What are the key features are there? You can see that these are the modules features functionality we are offering with the software. Similarly, if you want to go for radiology modules, you can go through on the website and access what control feature we are giving, and add-on facility are also there. So hope you like this presentation of the laboratory radiology system, and we will connect you in the next module of presentation. Thank you. Have a good day.